Well, YouTubers, I just got done ripping the starter motor apart, and there's another problem with the tractor I gotta go do. I'm not getting any power, which I believe this battery is sort of dead, but I believe it should have enough juice to at least flip on the lights, which doesn't look like the lights are coming on. So, set you guys down right here. I got a little sandpaper. I got the cleaner thing. I just need to find my get my crescent wrench. As you can see, the battery cable completely separated from the battery cable itself, pretty much. Yeah, that's nice. There's a bunch of water and crud. So I'm gonna go get a shop towel and I'm gonna. Alrighty, got my shop towel. I'm gonna clean some of this rust water up. Disgusting rust water. I'm gonna get the post-up cleaner. I'm gonna good one must be in the garage. It's an old crappy one, but I don't know. It'll probably do. I'm gonna clean the grounds too while I'm at it. Those connections up there look pretty good, so I'm gonna leave them alone. So I'm gonna take this little cover off here. Which I might go and get some washers for these, just so I can keep it nice and tight. So yeah, I'm gonna take this part completely off. It seems like it won't tighten up very good, so I'm gonna go get a washer, a couple washers for these. And yeah, it's a little chilly out here, but it ain't terrible. I don't have a coat on, as you can see. A little chilly. So my sweatshirt weather ain't bad, but a little winter. For me, is it like 29, 30 or something like that? Alright. Got that apart. That's what she looks like, pretty curly. So, where's my pistol cleaner? There she is, behind the camera. I got some good cleaner I'm going to go get when I'm going to get the washers, so I'm going to be right back. I got some of this Gojo stuff. It's for hands, but I use it some on my small engines, like cleaning up heads and stuff. I got my two washers. Dried up, keeps the crud on. There we go, just like that. Got a little bit of a grit feeling to it too. It's almost like a grinding compound, but you know, it's cleaner, so I'm gonna get a little postal cleaner. I'm gonna scrub the frick out of it. Ah, should wear goggles if you're doing this too. Shit stings your eyes. Alright. You get some cleaner, so that's pretty good. I'm gonna do the top part. I'm just going to do it without the cleaner. I'm just going to do it lightly. Alright. I'm going to lightly stick these. Wait, I need to get my washers. I'm going to lightly stick these on. These washers are a little big, but I think they'll work. Just going to barely screw it all in. Make sure your little nuts on the other side don't fall off. You don't want to lose your nuts, no one does. Alright, I got one in now. The other end. Now I'm going to lift that up. I'm going to straighten these out as best I can. Which ain't very good, but I'm going to go get my pliers, and I might have some in the toolbox actually. Alright, YouTubers. I'm back. I got a needle nose and a regular pair of pliers. I'm going to try the regulars first. What the fuck are they doing over there? Dumbasses. Of course, I can't say that. They're just people in town, so. Alright, I think I straightened it up a little bit. Probably still not the greatest, but I'm actually going to take these back out. These nuts back out. Since when I made them with the washers, not very much of a space to open, so I'll take them back out. And I'm just going to set the cable in there. So I'm going to then stick the little top back on it. Which she ain't wanting to go very good. So I'm going to try to make that tip a little bit more flatter. So I'll just hopefully go a little bit better, and I might have to get rid of my washers, which I'm not looking forward to that, because it ain't going to be very tight. But see what happens. Alright, I'm starting to get it. I'm going to go in and get my nut driver for it. what size it was. So I thought it was a 3/8 or a 7/16, which turns out it's a 7/16. So at least I got one of them right. Tighten these up evenly too.